Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kritika, and if you're new to my channel, then hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so every time I post a new video, you get the makeup look is all about Eid. It's simple glam makeup with a neutral eye, and I tried to make it in that side one portion. I don't know the name, but yeah, I'm not wearing that right now, but I'll show the look. So this is the complete look with the Mang Tika, and if you want to skip this Mang Tika and go simpler, you can simply do the earrings or jhumka as I've wear. I started with my serum all over my face and just gently moisturizing my face. Whenever I try a heavy or glam makeup, I always use this serum for glowing effect. I'm using a face cream. For the base, I am using the primer first. It's a gel primer to clog my pores. It helps to get a smoother finish on my face. I always prep my skin or lips with the lip balm. I'm using a coverage concealer as this is a glam makeup look, and I'm not using any foundation in this look, so I'm just applying in my darker portion or dark circles to hide them. You can use the high coverage concealer on your blemishes, spots and acne also to hide them, but I don't have any acne at the moment, so I'm just using for my dark circles and also using on lid because I'm using some of the glittery shades on my eyes, so need to be pop of them. Blending is the key to every step. If you are not blending it well, it won't show the perfect result or finish. So every time I use anything on my face, I used to blend it well. I don't know where is my powdering clip is gone. I have captured or not, even I don't know why my camera is not captured that clip. But yeah, moving forward with the makeup, after setting the powder, I am using nose contouring over here. I am using a cream contour fine pencil. If you want to use powder based contour, you just need a makeup brush with a finer tip. Also blend it well. I'm using for face contouring also, but this time I'm using a powder base, not the cream base. Just using my sponge, or you can use your blender here. The face contouring helps to lift your face upward and give a tighter look and the structured and sculpted look all over. The basic thing is to blend it well so you can get a best feature on your face. Moving forward to our eyes, I'm using a cello tape. Yes, at the angular structure or at the level of your eye, I'm using a two color, that is light brown and dark brown, and giving a texture to your eyes. Just blend it well with your blending brush. I'm using a low key brush to get a precise area, followed by darker brown at the ends of my eye. Just blend it in the areas and you get the perfect shape. Now I've picked some concealer on my finger and just concealing the middle portion so that I can get the poppy color. I'm using a golden glitter, as you can see, with my finger only, and then with the applicator I'm using with the inner corner and spread it to the middle. With the helping of a brush, I'm just basically doing a transition between my glitter and to my ends to get a smoother smudge-free look. With the liquid liner, I am just following the tape line to get a Arabic eyeliner. To the ends, I am extending the wings upward to get Arabic finish. Then just join it in the middle and smaller portion I am doing to get a precise eyeliner. To detail our inner corners, I'm just using a little bit of liner to give a definition to the starting of our eye. Simply removing my tape, and voila, I get a proper winged as well as a proper shade. I'm using the same brush and the same color on my lower lashes and giving a more definition to the eyes. It makes the eye more wider. I'm using the brown, light brown and followed by the dark brown on my lower lashes, and also doing some of the details in our inner corners with a brighter shade, or you can use that golden shade only. Change the color according to your outfit or any coordination and contrast. Final step is to mascara to uplift your lashes. I'm not using any false lashes, but yeah, I'm using a greater mascara to give a lengthening and deepen wide look for my lashes. Don't forget your lower lashes also, because it gives a very edgy look to your eyes. Finally completing the eyes with the kajal. Coming to our lips, I am using the mixing of 3 colors. Firstly, I am using a pink color for my lip lining. Then using a liquid lipstick which is in mauve red color to give a plump look. Now the best part is highlighter. I am using a golden highlighter on my upper cheekbones for that healthy glow and glam look. Highlighting my bridge of nose and some of my forehead, and also my cupid area and chin. And yeah, it's done. The eyeliner is perfect. I'm also using a Mount Tika for that Eid wala vibes. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram. The handle is mentioned on the screen right now. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.